You applied for Medicare, and then you got a letter in the mail from Social Security, and it said, wait, you think you're paying the same for Medicare Part B and D as everybody else, but you're not, because according to our records, you're rich, and the rich pay more for Medicare B and D. There is a surcharge called IRMAA, IRMAA. There's a lot more information on our website, themedicarefamily.com, if you want to get into and actually see all the brackets, all the different levels of income that can cause you to pay more for Medicare Part B and for Part D. Now, when you get that letter, that determination letter, you need to do something. You either need to say, oh darn, I didn't realize that, and accept it, or you need to say, this is not right. I didn't file my taxes correctly. I got divorced, I got married, I quit my job. There are several reasons that you can appeal that determination. So if you get the letter and they said, hey, you're not paying $200 a month for Part B, you're paying $400 a month. That should get your attention. So you want to Google this form, SSA-44. That form will tell you what the conditions are that you can appeal, such as retired. They're basing it on your income from 2 years ago, how much they're going to charge you for Medicare. So if they're saying you're rich, they're like, I was rich 2 years ago, but I retired, I quit my job. You can appeal that. You will need proof, a letter from your employer saying, yeah, you retired. So you can say, well, I got divorced. You can show your divorce decree. There are things that you can appeal, and most people just think, why fight the man? Fight the man. It doesn't hurt to appeal. Now, there are things that you cannot appeal, such as you voluntarily sold a property. You had a vacation home, you got remarried, and both of you have a home. You got to sell one of your spouse's homes. So that is going to be a big taxable gain. That is going to often cause you to pay more for Medicare Part B and D. And if you're married and both on Medicare, both of you would pay it. It's for 1 year at a time. So every year the government looks back at your taxes and they decide how much you will pay for Medicare Part B. So if you get the bad news because you sold some property 2 years ago, you can appeal it, but you're not going to win. You'll pay that extra for every month for a year, then they'll do a redetermination next year, and if next year your income's average, then they won't charge it. So when you get that letter from the Social Security Administration that says you have to pay more, don't ignore it, flip it over, read the rules, and appeal if you have an appealable situation, something that your income dropped, such as you lost your job, you got married, divorced, etc. Hope you learned something today. Hit the subscribe button if you did. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.